Hello. The purpose of this video is to show the unboxing of a pure water Midi Classic water distiller. I'll also show the unboxing of the stand for the water distiller and then a comparison of the current model of the Midi Classic to the model that it's replacing. This is box cutters. I will tilt the box so you can see what it looks like. We have the distiller in here, wrapped in plastic to protect it, and these cushiony foam rubber packing materials. Here's the manual. And the manual is in a plastic case. Now I'll see if I can get it out. Okay, there it is. There's still some equipment in the box in the bottom. This is some of the hardware. This is the cord, which were packed in the bottom in a space underneath the distiller. This video will not show the setup. I will show how I set it up in another video. So there's not much more to show here, but I will take the plastic off. I guess the easiest way to get the plastic off is just to cut it. So there is the distiller, and for comparison, I will show you the old distiller that it is replacing. This is the old distiller. This distiller gave us good service for almost 40 years until it, a couple weeks ago, developed a leak in the boiling tank. After 40 years, I guess that's to be expected. We were very happy with this distiller, and so when we decided to replace it, we got the latest model. And I actually prefer the older design where it's easy to get to the tank. I have to take all these covers off to get to the tank on the new design. And I do want to access this tank before putting it into service because I want to make sure there's no debris in the storage tank. I watched one other unboxing video for this distiller, and the person who did that video looked inside the tank and found some debris. So I'd like to remove that debris first. The other box is for the stand. I'll open it, but I won't assemble it in this video. So you can see it opening. They have styrofoam packing. You can see that. And then the pieces of the stand are wrapped in paper. And this bag contains the hardware for putting the stand together and the wheels. I only see 3 wheels here. Seems to me there should be 4. There might be a part missing. So I'll unwrap the stand pieces. That's one side. The other side. Two of the 4 legs. And the other 2 of the 4 legs. Now I believe that's a horizontal piece. Well, I'm not sure, but it looks like there might be some parts missing. At the very least, there might be a wheel missing. So I'm glad I'm documenting it with this video in case the company doesn't believe me. Yes, there are supposed to be 4 wheels. As you can see, this bag only has 3 wheels. It looks like, except for missing 1 wheel, all the parts are here. I'm checking the ends. It looks like since the previous unboxing video was made, the finish has been improved on this stand, because the other person who made an unboxing video showed that there were a lot of rough edges that he had to file down. And I don't see any rough edges, so it looks like the company might have seen that video and fixed that. So, that's it for the unboxing video. Now you know what to expect if you buy a pure water Midi Classic water distiller when you go to open the box and remove it.